back, people. Don't forget, I always liked you better. What's up, people? We're back here now, and to go along with our brand new HammerHead Performance Exhaust System, we went ahead and bought us a new carburetor so we can put the new jets in and just swap the carburetors over and make it easy. Now this is a simple part too, because we're taking our new 40 main jet and our new 135 pilot jet, and we're going to install it in this new carburetor. All you need is a couple simple tools, people. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to take the bowl off of your carburetor, people. It's just a matter of unscrewing them screws until them screws is unscrewed. And then you can just pop off the bowl, like such. Now, you'll lay the bowl off to the side, being careful not to harm this little rubber gasket here, which will retain the fuel inside the bowl and not let it escape to the outside nature. Now, inside here, people, we have two jets. We have our main jet and our pilot jet. Okay, can you see that? Pan to the left. Now, we're going to replace both of these, the main and the pilot. You may need a 7mm wrench to hold your air bleed here, and then you'll just pop off the pilot jet, or the main jet, I'm sorry, this is the main jet, and pop it off like such. It's real easy. Real easy. Okay, then we take our new main jet, and we carefully put that in, and tighten that back down. And then we do the same with our pilot, which is unscrew it, like such, and pop it out, pop it out, pop it out. And then you'll take your new one, and what do you do with it? Pop it in! That's right, yeah! So you pop that in, and you screw that down until tightened. How tight? Oh, it's just a minuscule millimeters. Just like so. Just so the little thing don't fall back out. Make sure your other jet's tight. All right. And then you can reinstall your jet, or your bowl, in the reverse order. Making sure that it all lines up first before reinstalling your screws. Okay, people, as we get our bowl on and tighten up these screws, we're going to remind you that this is part one of a 3-part video of upgrading your 150 or 169cc GY6 engine in your buggy or cart. Now, we're finished up here with securing the bowl back on our carburetor, and we're ready to do stage 2. We're going to go take this newly jetted carburetor and put it on our GY6, our 150cc or 169cc go-kart engine, and see what our performance upgrades can do. So stay tuned for part 2 now of the installation of the HammerHead exhaust system. Stay tuned for more. Rock on, people. Lucha. Was that good? Did you like that, people? You are always my favorite. Don't forget.